Here we go again, one of the most incredible wine from Gorgo Winery. We are together with Roberta Gorgo today. This is the Good Wine Project from Thailand. Today we present probably one of the most famous red wine from this area, close to Verona on the Garda Lake. This is Roberta. Roberta, tell me about this beautiful wine.
Of course, this is Amarone della Valpolicella, Classico Superiore. It's a king of the red wines from the area. It's very well known, and it's an example of patient technique, a very careful work on the beginning in the vineyards, and then a very special technique in the cellar. To produce an Amarone, the main element is the drying process. It means on the beginning we need to have a very special grape in perfect condition, harvested in the correct moment, and then these grapes remain for 3 months, we can say, waiting for a perfect and long drying process. What does it mean, drying? It means losing the water. And so the weight of the grapes become very, very dramatically reduced. So the production is limited because of the natural element of the grapes that is...
So the ripeness is natural, the concentration of the sugar is even more.
Yeah, because losing the water, can you imagine how deep and concentrate is the element we go to vinificate? So imagine beginning of January, we become and we start the fermentation.
So this Amarone is pass a little bit of time on the barrel.
Of course.
And talking about sugar and sulfitis, how we can consider this?
Remember that Amarone is a dry red wine. It's different from
So it's not sweet.
Exactly, absolutely. We wait, we work, we ferment, and we transform all the sugars into the alcohol. The alcohol is around 15, very, very dry, but very, very clean, but incredibly rich complexity, as well as complex and with many, many potential and possibilities are the pairing, the possibility to pair this wine.
So licorice, bloody, and very good deep red fruit, and characteristic with any matching of good meat, very fatty because this tannins can clean up your mouth. So at the end, last wine from Roberta, probably the most important one. That's it for today. Thank you so much for listening. This is the Good Wine Project from Thailand, from this amazing, beautiful room where all the Amarones sleep. And this is what we consider one of the king of the red wine from Italy. Thank you so much, Roberta. And from the next episode, and the Gorgo wine. Check below from where you find the wine in Thailand. And Sawadee Krap.
Sawadee Krap.